In this episode, we will be learning how to check shared media in Zangi. To view a shared media in a Zangi chat, first of all, launch open the Zangi Messenger application on your mobile device and log in. Once you're inside the main homepage, make sure that you're inside the Chats tab at the bottom left. Now, select a contact or a group where you want to view shared media on from your chat screen. Once you open up the conversation, go to the top of the screen and tap on the name of your group or your contact. This opens up the info section where you need to go ahead and scroll down and tap on shared media. Here, you will find all photos, videos, documents, and links exchanged in your chats. Tap on any media item to view, share, save, or delete it as needed. This feature will allow you to easily access and manage all shared content within a specific chat. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials on Zangi. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.